हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट एडिटोरियल्स, यानी कि इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं संपादकीय लेख। एडिटोरियल्स होता क्या है? ये एक लेख होता है जिसे संपादक यानी एडिटर या कोई लीडर राइटर अपने समाचार पत्र या पत्रिका में लिखता है। एक स्पेसिफिक आर्टिकल होता है जिसमें किसी न्यूज़ का, किसी इवेंट को डिस्कस किया जाता है, जिसमें खुद एडिटर लिखता है, वो एडिटोरियल्स कहलाता है। ये किसी सब्जेक्ट या मैटर पर न्यूज़पेपर या किसी मैगजीन में की राय या दृष्टिकोण को प्रदर्शित करता है। ये संपादक मंडल, संचालक मंडल, व्यापार प्रबंधकों के बहुमत की राय को परिलक्षित करता है। संपादक की लेख प्राय हस्ताक्षरित नहीं होता। An editorial is an article in a newspaper or magazine written by editor or leader writer. A special article or discussion of news in a newspaper or magazine, usually written by an editor, is called an editorial. In it presents the opinion or attitude of a newspaper or a magazine on an issue. It reflects the majority vote of the editorial board, the governing body of the newspaper, made up of editors and business managers. It is usually unsigned. An article that states a newspaper's ideas on a particular issue. These ideas are presented as opinions. The newspaper is the voice of the community and editorials are the voice of the newspaper. It creates a community conversation that will not be bland or boring. Example जैसे स्कूल न्यूज़पेपर्स। यह है एडिटोरियल फॉर्मेट। सबसे पहले इंट्रोडक्शन आता है जिसमें प्रेजेंट द प्रॉब्लम और सॉल्यूशन को प्रेजेंट किया जाता है। फिर रीजन फॉर पोजीशन प्रोवाइड्स सफिशिएंट एक्सप्लेनेशन होती है विद प्रूफ फॉर ईच पॉइंट, हर पॉइंट पर, एंड इट एड्रेसेस द काउंटर आर्ग्यूमेंट। नेक्स्ट प्रेजेंट्स आर लॉजिकल सॉल्यूशन, यानी कि रियलिस्टिक व्हाट गुड बियॉन्ड कॉमन नॉलेज। लास्ट में कंक्लूजन कंटेन सम पंच। अकॉर्डिंग टू एम अली जौहर, इन्होंने कहा है एडिटोरियल एक ऐसे है written on the subject which is being discussed in society and is not written only to fulfill the newspaper. In fact, it should have worth also. Next are types of editorials. स्टाइल वाइज डिवीजन 2 है। सीरियस एडिटोरियल, लॉजिकल एडिटोरियल। सीरियस में इंफॉर्मेटिव और परसुएसिव, लॉजिकल में क्रिटिक एडिटोरियल। ओके, सबसे पहले हम पढ़ते हैं एक्सप्लेनेटरी और इंटरप्रेटेटिव क्रिटिकल, यानी दीज एडिटोरियल्स आर ऑफन यूज्ड टू एक्सप्लेन द वे द न्यूज़पेपर कवर्ड a sensitive, explain or controversial subject. स्कूल न्यूज़पेपर में न्यू स्कूल रूल्स ऑन a particular student body, effort like a food drive. Next, critical. These editorials identify the problems and constructively criticize actions, decisions, situations while providing solution to the problems identified. Next up, persuasive editorial. The editorials of persuasion aim to immediately see the solution, not the problem. Political endorsements are good examples of editorials of persuasion. Next, commendatory. These editorials commend people and organizations for something done well. They are not as common as other three. इसके पर्पज़ क्या हैं? एडिटोरियल्स आर मीन टू इन्फ्लुएंस पब्लिक ओपिनियन, प्रमोट critical thinking, and sometimes cause people to take action on an issue. In essence, an editorial is an opinionated news story. Main characteristics of an editorial. An editorial has an introduction, body and conclusion like other news stories. It gives an objective explanation of a complex issue. It presents a timely news angle. The opinions of the writer are delivered in a professional manner. Good editorials engage issues, not personalities, and refrain from name calling or other petty tactics of persuasion. Next, a good editorial take a proactive approach to making the situation better by using constructive criticism and giving solution. A good editorial usually ends with a solid and concise conclusion. It usually presents a powerful summary of the writer's opinion. It generally comes with a punch. How to write an editorial? The following points should be kept in mind while writing an editorial. The writer of an editorial should pick a significant topic that has a current news angle and would interest readers. He should collect relevant information and facts and do some research on the selected topic. Next, he should state the opinion briefly in the fashion of a thesis statement. He is required to explain the issues objectively as a reporter would. He should give the opposing viewpoint first with its quotation and facts. He should refute the other side and develop his own case using facts and details. He should concede some good points of the opposition, took rational in his approach. Next, he should repeat key phrases to reinforce an idea into the reader's minds. He should give a realistic solution to the problem and encourage critical thinking and proactive reaction. While concluding, he should restate his opening remark with a punch. An editorial is to be kept to 500 words. The writer should never use I. कोई भी एडिटोरियल्स लिखेंगे, सबसे पहले न्यूज़पेपर का नाम डालेंगे सबसे ऊपर, फिर डे और मंथ, डेट, सन। फिर हमारा टॉपिक होगा, जैसे हमारा टॉपिक है प्राइस राइज, हमें उसके ऊपर एडिटोरियल्स लिखना है। ओके, तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे। द एनुअल रिपोर्ट कार्ड ऑन द गवर्नमेंट्स इकोनॉमिक मैनेजमेंट इज आउट। इट इज़ नॉट प्रिटी पिक्चर। द इकोनॉमिक हैव slowed a growth rate of 6.5% in 2011-12 from 8.4% the year before. This is lower than the official projection in February that the gross domestic product would grow by 6.9% in the 12 months to March 2012. All sectors of economic activities are feeling the squeeze. Farm and factory output grew at nearly a third of the pace in 2010-11. The famous resilience of India's service sector is cracking too. Growth in trade, hospitality, transport, and communications is a percentage point lower as it is in finance, insurance, real estate, and business services. Construction has taken an usually big hit from rising raw material and credit costs, and growth declined from 8% to 5.3%. The output of mines, which actually shrank, faces a regulatory gridlock over environmental clearness and land acquisition. Okay, thank you for watching.